We'd like to examine the work of John Carter and his work in leading change. The first concern you may have is that his text is over 50 years old, and in that time you may feel that times have changed. Beyond that, you may feel that the problems of the 1960s differ than those of the 21st century. So put your new lenses on and look at this a bit differently. I want you to see change as an event. Just as the sun sets and rises every day, change is just as inevitable. The intention is always improvement. Change can be reactive, and change also creates other changes. In the Leading Change text, John Carter provided us with the tools to control, orchestrate, and direct change. He also provided an 8-step model to systematically lead change. These are the first 4 steps of leading change. A sense of urgency needs to be established within your organization, detailing why change is important. There also must be a team, a coalition of capable members helping to lead the change. Thirdly, the vision must be clearly articulated to the members. Lastly, communication. The 5th step in leading change is enabling action and removing obstacles. This is the actual work phase of leading change, where you lead by doing. The 6th step is gathering small wins and using those momentums to develop bigger wins for your organization. And the last step, you have to anchor your change. In an effort to sustain the changes that you have led, it will require a continuous effort to ensure that your changes are evident in all aspects of your organization. And now, we'll transition to the Michael Fullen text, Deep Learning. As described by Fullen, deep learning is intrinsic, meaningful, personal to the learner, and spiritual. All of these combine to make learning experience that the learner will retain. One of the strengths of deep learning, as told by Fullen, is its practice in real-world application. It takes problems from all manners of industry and walks of life and solves them using inquiry and critical thinking, making for a more meaningful learning experience. It's when we're able to connect what we do with what we believe that yields positive results. Ultimately, this is where the value is found in 21st century learning.